The graph of a function f of x is given. On which interval is f of x increasing the most rapidly? So increasing the fastest. So we've got from negative 5 to 0. So remember, your intervals is talking about your domain. So from negative 5 to 0, I can see that that graph is increasing. From 0 to 1, it's decreasing. So this one cannot be a solution. From 1 to 3, it is increasing. And from 3 to 5, it's constant. So from 3 to 5, it would not be possible answer. So we have two possible answers here. So it looks like this one's increasing a little bit less rapidly than this one. But how do you tell for sure? Well, you do your average rate of change. So let's look at the average rate of change of those two intervals. So we've got negative 5 and 0. And then we're going to do 1 and 3. All right, so notice that your intervals are given only on your domain. So it's given us negative 5 to 0. So negative 5 to 0, that's my two x values. So negative 5 is an ordered pair with negative 3. So negative 5, negative 3. And then I have 0, 0, 2 is a point. All right, so if I want to find the average rate of change here, I'm going to do y. Remember our formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I'm going to do, if I have x1, y1, x2, y2, I'm going to do 2 minus negative 3 over 0 minus negative 5. So I'm going to have 2 plus 3, or 5, and 0 plus 5, so that is a 1. So the average rate of change for the first one equals 1. All right, let's look at the average rate of change for the second 2 points. So if I have another set of points, I've got 1, negative 1, and then the other point is at 3, 3. All right, using this same formula here, I'm going to do 3 minus negative 1 over 3 minus 1. So 3 minus negative 1 is 3 plus 1, or 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. So that's an average rate of change of 2. So I know this one has an average rate of change equals 2. So the question again is, which interval is f of x increasing the most rapidly? So if you rise 2, run 1, that is quicker than rise 1, run 1. So C is the best answer. C is the correct answer for this question.